There are thousands of deities that exist and worshipped by people of different communities. But this deity, Urashi, is one of the most powerful deities in Igboland. Urashi, being a river deity, is worshipped by most communities in Igboland, where the river passes through. Urashi Ezama, also called Urashi or Olase, is the name of one of the most powerful river deity in Igboland. This river, which originated from Ezama community in Dikenafai in Idato South LGA of Imo State, is worshipped in all the communities the river cut across. Urashi omere Igbo, Urashi buru eze oru nye eze Igbo ndụ, as it was fondly called by its admirers and devotees, abhors evil. Apart from this, Urashi is not a god one plays with. Urashi is a god of wealth. The original shrine of Urashi is in Ezama community Dikenafai. Urashi is a god that protects his devotees, though quick in anger and punishment. There is Urashi Mmiri and Urashi Eluala. Many also view this great god as a god of war and justice. Urashi River takes off as a stream from the rocks at the base of a waterfall 183 meters above mean sea level in the Urashi enclave of Ezama in Dikenafai, Imo State. The entrance to the waterfall was around the corner from Ezama, the water god's altar. It was a narrow, unassuming pathway cut into the thickest of the forest. From Dikenafai, Urashi flows through several towns, including Uruala, Oboko, Umueshi, Umuchima, Umuishiaku, Ubele, Obodo Ukwu, Okija, Osun, Ukpo, Ihiala, Uli, Oguta, Ozobolo, Abacheke, Ogwu Ikpele, Mmahụ, Opuoma, Ogwu Anịọcha, Osemoto, Omoku, Obiakpọ, Ebeọcha, Ukodu, Okake, Mbiama, and Epie. The river forms tributaries along its flow from Imo through Anambra rivers to Bayelsa before emptying onto the Atlantic. It splits into two at Ebema. The larger portion right continue the flow through Eluku and emptying its waters and sediments at Edi, Kalama, Degema, and Abonema into the Gulf of Biafra. People who don't know how to swim are forbidden or rather advised not to enter Urashi River, for it swallows people without remorse, especially when there is need for sacrifice. I hope you have learned something today. Please drop your comment on the comment section. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.